Welcome back to Investing with Ro, and let's jump straight into the news. But before that, just a disclaimer: this is not financial advice and only for entertainment purposes and for your information. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more daily updates on Bitcoin, crypto, anything stock related, also real estate, as well as online business and how you can make money. If we jump into the overall cryptocurrency market, you can see the total cryptocurrency market cap sitting at 2.122 trillion, with Bitcoin dominance at 41% and Ethereum at 19.6%. Scrolling down, just an overview of all the prices. You can see on the 24-hour volume price percentage, we are a bit down here. However, you can't always have your green days. You have some red days as well, even though this is not blood on the streets, as it's just a little bit of downtrend in the patterns. Bitcoin is down 1.27%, Ethereum down 1%, 1.13%, Solana is down about 3.93%. I actually started taking profits on Solana, which I'll just keep in my liquidity pool, and if Bitcoin crosses a certain point, which I'll identify now, I'll use my liquidity to buy some Bitcoin, pump it into Bitcoin. Also Cardano, I've just taken some profits there as well, and Avalanche, I've also taken some profits there. Terra Luna, it's a bit down 2% from yesterday, but still standing strong there overall. If you look at the 7-day, the highest gainers there, still Steppen and Moonbeam, still 111%. I would have taken profits yesterday already. You can't be too greedy in this market, and obviously this project pumped from day one. I mean, if you can just look here, what it did was absolutely crazy. I mean, it went from let's say 13 cents in September, 13 cents on the 9th of March. It got listed on Binance, and it went up all the way to just over $3, which is I mean 10x, more than 30x your money in a matter of a month. So absolutely crazy. If you look at the coins that are the most down the most significant, also ApeCoin had a massive run up from listing day on Binance when it got listed there, going from like $1 to $18. So you expect a little bit of pullback. I see that it has been basically steady at this $10, $11 stage. I think there might be some type of resistance being built up between this $10. You can clearly see on the all-time chart. They don't have, they're less than a month old, so you can clearly see there's some resistance there. So I would expect a little bit of a pullback, and it will hover around the $10 range. You never know. It's probably still too early to see if it's still going to have a big run up, but in the crypto space, you never know. If we look at the fear and greed index, you can see we're still neutral. No fear, no greed. So that's why I've taken a little bit of profits, not a significant lot. If we move over more towards the greed side, the more towards the green, I mean, that's when I'll start taking significant profit in my altcoins. I'll take a little bit of profit in my Bitcoin, and I'll take just a little bit of my Ethereum. I like to have the majority of my portfolio in Bitcoin and Ethereum. However, if we go back to fear, you never know, then I'll probably have to pump in some more money to dollar cost average my way down. Just one article I'd like to share with you guys is there's an analyst that says this is what Bitcoin has to do to reach the 58,000 US dollars. And this according to a top crypto strategist. So Chats says Bitcoin looks bullish after the breakout from the ascending triangle. You can see here this ascending triangle which I've mentioned. It's broken out past the 45,000 range. However, the support level that it needs to break, and you can clearly see he mentions it here, it's sitting at the 200-day simple moving average, which is about 48,000. We'll go into the chart now. If it breaks that, there's a good possibility that it will go to the 58,000 US dollars, which is a little bit higher than my price range, but still, I mean, 80 to 90% probability that's going to reach that 58,000 US dollars. So if you look at the Bitcoin chart, I'm not on the daily chart today, I'm on the 4-hourly chart. You can see here that we have broken out, as we've mentioned, out of this ascending triangle, and we're a bit in this consolidation phase. We're hovering between $45,000 and about 46,000, 47,000 US dollars. This is the range that we are hovering at about. And you can still see I've still got my pattern here, what I think is going to be the normal course of Bitcoin in the following 3, maybe 4 months. You never know, maybe towards the end of May this run up can happen. But as you can see here, this blue line here is what's called the 200-day simple moving average. And you can clearly see here my block which I drew here is just above, so it's more or less in line with simple day moving average. And you can see there 48,300 is the resistance level, which is very significant for us to cross. Once we've crossed that, we're definitely going to hit, according to the crypto strategist, we're going to hit the 58,000 US dollars. But I still have my profit area, and my profit taking area is this 54,000, maybe a bit higher, maybe I can just move it a bit up there, 54 to 55,000 US dollars. That's where my range where I'm going to start taking profits for Bitcoin. But this is a crucial point, and as you can see, we had a big bounce of that resistance level there at the 200-day moving average, which we just cannot seem to pass. So we really need the bulls to put in some volume there. We need some volume here. You can see that the volume, the green candles here is not a lot compared to the red candles. So definitely this is the price where I'm gonna take my liquidity that I've pulled out of my profits from my altcoins, and I'm going to put it into Bitcoin, which is more stable. Also, I'm not taking all of my altcoins out, because if Bitcoin goes up, altcoins are just going to go absolutely parabolic, and we're going to get some nice profits there. I also looked at the Ethereum US dollar chart, and as you can see here, we had this symmetrical triangle following here. You can see 3 touch points there, but the thing here is we were in a downtrend going into a symmetrical triangle, which is, you know, the chances of breaking down is more realistic than breaking up. So if we broke down, you were looking basically at $1,400 Ethereum, which I do not think is gonna be will be a it's too realistic. I mean, if you look, let's just look here, maybe where's the oh, there you can see there. Definitely, I mean, we would have had support there at the 1,700. Next support level will be at the 1,300, but I don't think with the entire market cap of Ethereum it will ever go to 1,300. This 1,700 maybe if we broke down, but we didn't, and we broke up, which is a good thing. And So the technical target there for the breakup is about 4,000 US dollars. And look at this, the simple moving average, the 200-day simple moving average. Ethereum is touching it at the moment. This is going to be crucial for Ethereum. I mean, we're right around that range. If we can go above that, we're going to reach that 4,000 US dollar target for Ethereum. And that's where I'm going to start taking a lot of my profits in Ethereum. I hope you really like this video. This is just a daily update for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Also looked at some Ethereum. Please, again, subscribe to this channel for more daily updates on the entire cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin, Ethereum, all of this. If you like this type of videos, please share the video. Let's just boost up the algorithm for YouTube, and I'll check you out on the next video. Cheers.